If you're looking for a solution to your storage needs, this might just be it. For camping, on-the-go travel, whatever you need, this is the Vanquest Sticky Cube, size small. The dimensions are 9.5 high, 4.5 wide, 1 inch deep. But that's not all. The biggest feature and the coolest thing I like about this is its expandability. So back here, we have this zip. Quickly wraps around. And check that out. We just expanded this another 2.5 inches this way. So now we have a total of 3.5 inches deep by 9.5 high by 4.5 wide. Has this nice beefy pull handle here. Everything's very high quality, very tough, ripstop nylon all throughout, and the storage size is phenomenal. Also check out those Spartan zipper tabs. Those things are beefy, makes everything nice and easy to grab a hold of. You can kind of see how much see-through there is, a little window to check to see your contents. If I'm going camping, I'll keep rope, compass, other tools like a Leatherman in there. And if I don't want it in its expanded form, we just come back around here, zip it up all the way, and we still have a very large volume to work with. On the back, it has these beefy Velcro tabs. You just pull these off. These are your keepers when you're not using the Velcro, but if you have something like the Trident backpack that this can adhere to, stick it on, and when you want to use it, just pull, and you're good to go. In the meantime, you'll want to keep those stored on there. Throw this in your backpack, highly recommend it. It's tough, good quality gear.